Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. You heard that right, guys. Scalp maxing series, where we go quickly in and out, super fast to these trades. But I gotta be honest, some of these trades today actually were held for an hour. Reason why is because this market was a little bit horrible, but still, that's no excuse. We're still gonna take as many trades as we can, not on purpose, but just scalp maxing, right? So with that being said, we have hours of footage that I'm gonna speed up and make it super fast, super simple for you guys. Make it fun, make it entertaining, and at the very end, we're gonna talk about something that is on my chest, on my heart, that I had to let out, guys. Because again, we keep talking about it every single day in the live, but except this time, it's a different topic, so don't worry. It's not about necessarily accepting losses, although it is kind of related now I think about it. So let's just get into the trades today. Then I'm gonna provide some context of what had happened and how we're up almost $800 because we're up $794.50. Should I trade some more to get that $60? Nah, let's chill. We're gonna wait. But guys, we've been live every single day for almost 5 weeks. Tomorrow makes it the official 5 weeks. Now, we did miss one day due to being in Texas. And if you guys did not see how bad those airports were, oh my gosh, I was stuck in that shit. But anyways, we're up nicely. Let's show you guys these trades and let's talk about it. Just do it to me already. Just slap me out already. Probably gonna regret this one, but let's try it out. Not a 24. Oh shit, I just got stopped out too. Keep that same energy every day. Even on losing days. Look, I just took a loss. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo. Gotta be kidding me. All right, we're gonna take one last stab. Catch a falling knife here. I call it falling knife. And again, I like to risk $100. So, if you guys did not see at the top corner, I was up first $400. I first started the day at $400. Then I lost so much freaking money live on a live YouTube trading, live on Twitter, live on Kick. Literally took like 4 trades back to back or something like that. It put me at 75 cents. Now, we did leave to go get a nice haircut, as you can see from yesterday's video. I was looking rough, but today I look fresh. So we did leave to go get a haircut. I was over there trading in the sea, making some great money. Now we're up almost $800. So we came back hard. I don't know if you can hear my cat. Maybe we'll break it down, but I want to provide some context. Yesterday was up over $400, lost all that in the live, and then made hella money back. We didn't plan on trading our funding today, but we did. Made a little $100, whatever. Really not that much. We really didn't want to. We want to be very cautious because we can collect a payout, but we want to be very careful. With this kind of market condition, I want to run it up even more to take more money out of my account. Of course, is what everyone wants to do. But I think tomorrow we might copy trade. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day, so stay tuned. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We're gonna copy trade, make the account go big, and we're gonna do it all live. So why not join? But what I really want to get off my chest is this. I would not worry about how long trading is gonna take to get you to where you need to go or want to go. Of course, the more you learn, the more you earn. Now, luckily, for my first few years of trading, even though I was live trading my capital, meaning that I was throwing money into options accounts, Charles Schwab, trading option contracts, literally burning through cash. But during that whole process, I was in courses, paying for coaching courses, coaching classes, joining live seminars, all the things you can do. And the difference is, what I do see a lot of people doing is maybe watching like, I don't know, a few videos on the trade setup or how to trade the strategy and don't really go deep dive into genuinely learning the basics. Also, even risk management. There's so many things and pieces to the puzzle that you have to learn. Now, a lot of people are against courses, but in school, in high school, middle school, elementary, you literally go through courses, first learn the basics so that when you get to the advanced levels, you already know the basics. Maybe even in middle school, you pick up a little bit more better classes because you're a little bit more knowledgeable in certain areas more than others. So they give you, I don't know, calculus. I don't know, you might learn something a little bit different, pre-cal, whatever. Same thing with trading. A lot of people think they can just skip kindergarten, middle school, and go straight to immediately college. Maybe throw on some indicators, little training wheels, but they never learn the basics. Which again, the basics is literally the candlesticks. The moment you open up a freaking chart, guys, what is on your chart? It's either volume or candlesticks. Yes, I get it. Some people tell me, well, what about line graph? Guys, in general, when you pull up a chart, open up a Top Step account. Is that shit a line chart? Who's trading the line chart? We're all trading candlesticks. If you don't even know the basics of how to read candlesticks, you already lost. You think you can just jump into pre-calculus without even learning the basics of geometry. And the thing is, I see a lot of people do that. Now, I'm very grateful that I literally was willing, and I didn't mind. Because shout out to Robert Kiyosaki, rich dad, poor dad mentality. Yes, you got to pay for education. So I did. I paid for my education, which is why I'm in this position that I'm in now. Now, I'm not over here making tons of money. I'm not out here making hella payouts. But I'm consistently profitable every single end of the month. And I understand losses are to come, which is what I really want to talk about, losses. There's going to be days we're going to have red days. You have to learn to walk away. For an example, I already told you guys, I'm willing to lose $100 per trade. Meaning, if I take 3 trades, that's $300 in losses. Is that going to blow your account? Is that going to make you have to buy another account because you lost $300? No. That's when you hit lockout and you just walk away. Because guess what? Tomorrow, there's going to be a new day, new trade setups, new price action, which gives you better opportunity. So maybe the next day you take 1 trade and boom, you hit 250 on the first trade, or 150. Either way. Doesn't really matter, or don't try to have that I need to recover mentality. You just need to learn to have discipline. That's really what it is. I see a lot of people, again, jumping to the advanced level without even learning risk management or the basics. Guys, if you need help with all that, I'm literally your guy. And I go live every single day for free, post videos every single day for free. Literally scan through my video section, go through my lives. Both are literally full of free sauce of me every single day trading. Videos like this. Every single day. Now, I have a 7-day free trial of my course so that you can literally learn from start to finish on how to trade like me, how to read candlesticks, the basics, how to read volume, literally the basics first. Then, if you want to stay in that course, you can get the premium. It's literally only $50 a month. A lot of people out here charging what I see online, thousands of dollars. Guys, $50, come on. Join the community, join the team, have fun. Prodigy's Academy. Let's go. Let's keep booming. I'll see you guys in there.